Alright, so now that we have our final rock grubber creature, we're going to start to get ready to paint this guy. Now in ZBrush, you can pretty much just start painting exactly what we have here. But if you want to get that painting, that texture, into another program, then you're going to have to UV your creature. I always think of UV as almost like gessoing a canvas, preparing a canvas for paint. But UVs essentially help to transfer painting and textures into other programs. It's like mapping out your concept, your model, so that the paint knows where to stick when we bring everything into a secondary rendering program, as we will be doing in KeyShot. So let's get through this fairly quickly. What I love about ZBrush is features like UV Master are just so easy to use. Let's dock this over here. So you usually don't have to do that much. First off, when working with your model, you want to work on a clone. So I'm going to hit Work on Clone. There it is. And for some reason it goes to this default skin, and we are, of course, at our lowest subdivision here. Okay, so the first step is to just hit Unwrap. And it's pretty much going to do all the math for us. And we're going to see what it does with the UVs. We're basically plotting UVs right now. It's doing it for us. Alright, that's not bad. Let's look at it flattened. That's not too bad. Alright, let's go to unflatten. Alright, so that's good enough. So our seams are nice. They're off of the face of the creature. This will work well. So I'm going to now copy my UVs. I'm just going to hit copy. And we're going to go back to our model. Alright. So here's our model. And I'm going to now paste the UVs. I'm just going to do it at the lowest subdivision. It might speed things up a bit. So now that I'm on this model, I'm just going to hit in the UV Master palette, paste UVs, and it is going to update on every subdivision. You can see updating subdivision geometry. And it looks good. So I want to check the seams right now. And I'm just going to add a texture map to it to see where my seams are. Let's pick something. Okay, so here you can see where the seams are on the model. This is actually very helpful. You can see it is off of the face, it's off of the front, and right there. That's where everything's connecting. So this will work out, and that was pretty simple. Most things in ZBrush aren't too challenging, and the thing that's wonderful about the program is that everything works right off the bat and requires very little adjustment. Alright, let's turn that off. Excellent. Alright, let's start painting.